Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or a new subscriber, thank you very much. You're most welcome back here anytime. I do the 13 zodiacs, but what I'm doing for April is quickies. So these are not war bombs, these are truth bombs, and I'm trying to make my time more efficient and still get the readings out there and still do what I need to do. So we got for Taurus here. Like I said, the dates are a bit different, and this is for Taurus or those that resonate. All right, so take it or leave it. It's up to you. You're more than welcome to reach out to me, azeeza2088@gmail.com. So what I got here is it's like factory setting, or maybe this is like a reset. Like this could be the word that's coming in. This could be just like kind of symbolic for like a reset, or maybe you're in a factory setting. You've got a few people here. This could be family, or this could be workers that you're dealing with right now. And it's something to do with, there's either two sons or two co-workers here, two masculine energies. There's a feminine energy as well. But then the main person that I'm seeing here for Taurus or those that resonate, this is like a feminine energy. Maybe she's a mother figure. Queen of Cups energy, Queen of Clubs energy. And so you're either dealing with, maybe these are children of yours, or they run a family-owned business. That's what I'm getting here. And there's been a bit of difficulty in the past, but some things are coming to light. Not so much like family secrets, maybe business things, entrepreneur, or maybe opportunities coming your way. You're speaking to two different people that are coming in from outside. So these could be collaborations with certain people or whatever you have to deal with right now. And the energy that I'm picking up is there was struggle before, but you overcome it. So like Six of Wands energy, you've overcome it, you've come out of it. You're no longer having to deal with certain things that you had to in the past. This could have been like, what is that? You know how you have to deal with the city for personal business, or you have to get certain like permits, something like that, or maybe they cut off energy to something, or they were giving you a hard time. Maybe this is over land or a certain building, or maybe this is like an expansion, a part of the building, and you got real sick and tired of dealing with that. You put your foot down, whether this is you, Taurus, or somebody you're dealing with, or those that resonate. You put your foot down, you said, you know what, I'm not playing these games anymore. I'm sick and tired of this bullshit. We're going to go ahead with the plans that we originally had. And enough of this like stalling energy. So you went elsewhere, and you're dealing with two other people that are like external of this, or three other people. These could be like other business people, or maybe people of the city that you're dealing with. Maybe you have certain like connections, or this is like an old friend of yours from like high school or grade school or something like that, and they happen to be with the city or be with certain other businesses that you have the opportunity to collaborate with. And that's really good that I'm seeing here. But whatever this is, this truth bomb that's come out, I think that's just you putting your foot down and saying enough's enough. Like, I'm sick and tired of this bullshit. Maybe before you were more like passive aggressive, or just passive in general, or maybe you had ways of dealing with people, or you had ways of dealing with how you felt internally. I'm also seeing here, this is another situation where there's somebody that was like in a business or in like a group, and they were causing a lot of drama, or they were causing a lot of problems, and it's been come out that they no longer are allowed to do that, or there's going to be consequences. Like, you can't mess with certain people, especially new people coming in, and just expect to get away with it just because maybe you've been with the company since the day one, or you're part of the family or something like that. That kind of childish behavior is no longer allowed. So take what resonates for you, but whatever the situation is, it's a stop being put to it. There's no longer allowed to be this kind of like, I don't even want to say horseplay. I would say more of like a bullying energy, or a combative energy, maybe a bit of jealousy or something like that. We've also got a person that is trying to connect with you, Taurus, or somebody that resonates with this. This is a different story over here. You've got somebody that's trying to connect with you, a past loved one, somebody that maybe saved your life previously. Now, this could be from the other side. Maybe they're like your guardian angel. When they passed over, they turn into your guardian angel. They want to reach out to you, maybe requesting that you like light a white candle or talk to them more. They're kind of asking you to talk to them more, maybe reconnect with them. Emerald and Alexandrite is significant too, as well as jasper and copper. Those are things maybe you want to take a look into if you're working with any kind of metals or crystals or something like that. They're asking you to use that so you can channel if you have gifts of your own and you're trying to maybe reach out, or if you're not aware that these energies or these past loved ones or these ancestors want to talk to you, they're asking you to at least make an attempt to do so. Like, try your best, because they're going to give you some insight. They're going to open up the Akashic records that you have within your DNA and in your brain, your mind, at any kind of crown chakra activation, anything connected to source. They're going to give you some information to help you make the next steps. So this could be the whole thing altogether, whether it's business, family, or something like that, and what stage or what steps you need to do next, or you haven't quite got there. So they're asking you to kind of tap in, tune in, use your gifts for what it is that you're good at. The color purple or green could be significant. Also, I'm seeing tigers, or something to do with a tiger, and also to do with like machinery, or maybe this is operating machinery. Maybe this is like forklift, or you could be getting your forklift license. That's really useful. In some companies, they'll do it for you for free. They'll help you out, or you could be learning how to run a new machine. That's what I'm seeing here. That could be the new opportunity that you're getting with these business partners or whatever this is. My left ear is ringing too, so that's significant. Look that up. There could be certain things that's coming, like information that's coming into you to help you change the way things have been previously. And this could be this person that starts a lot of drama. Maybe somebody's brought it to your attention, but in a good way, because there's other people that will bring it to your attention, and maybe you've dismissed them before, but now you realize that it's an actual issue, and you're putting a stop to that, or whatever this is over here too. Now, when it comes to any kind of regrets, I'm not seeing too many, but there may be people in your past that you've dealt with that are no longer around you, and you could have some, take it as it resonates, Taurus, or those that this resonates for. You could have some connections from the past that you're no longer around, and maybe there's a little bit of a regret there. There's a little bit of like, you know, like maybe I should have treated that person different, or maybe I should have talked to them different, or maybe I should have given them a chance, you know, maybe talked to them a bit more, or been more open about certain things. I'm ready to do that now with new connections, but I wasn't ready to do that in the past. This could be a lover situation. This could be you dealing with somebody, maybe it is from like high school sweetheart, or when you were a child, some connection there too. And it's asking you to release and let that go. So if somebody's no longer in your life, and there's a reason for it. All right. It's divine timing. There's a reason they separated. Whether or not they're going to come back in, that's yet to be seen. And it very well could be maybe a person that you're thinking about, they're thinking about you as well. And that's what's pulling on your energy. But just release and let it go. Like, it is what it is. It's been done. So let that go and allow new to come in. If the person or people that you've separated from are meant to come back in, then they will. So anything that's meant for you, keep this in mind, Taurus, or those that resonate. Anything that's meant for you will not pass you by. And that includes opportunities or collaboration with people, or maybe people that you had from the past that are no longer around you that will come back in later. All right. Remember to love you. Please do.